Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to make your ZTE Blade A36 look smoother via animation scaling. So first open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing this little button to open settings. Then click on Cement Personalization, then click Animation Speed. Here you can choose animation speed. You can make it smoother by choosing moderate or slow. Let's pick slow. Now animations are much smoother because they're slower. Of course, you can also pick moderate for a compromise, or fast, which is default for the fastest response. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.